Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If you guys want to see how I created this colorful look right here using a lot of the new products that I have recently hauled, then let's just stay tuned. Hey guys, so as you can see, my eyebrows are already done, so I don't really know what kind of look I'm going for today, but I definitely just wanted to try this new foundation that I have, so let's just jump into it. First thing I'm going to start with is priming my lids with the concealer. Nothing much has changed with this. I'm going to be setting that with the Black Opal Translucent Powder. Next, I'm going to be taking the Morphe 3502 palette. And this has become one of my favorite palettes to go to just because of like all the vibrant colors. So we're going to be definitely playing with some color today. I'm going to go ahead and try to say off all the names that I'm using. But if not, I'll go ahead and leave it down in the description box. I'm just going to go ahead and take a big fluffy brush. And I'm going to take the color In the Zone, which is just a transition color. I'm going to go ahead and take a more tapered brush and take the color Fire. I'm going to take a big fluffier brush and I'm going to go ahead and take the color In the Zone, which is the first color that I put. And I'm just going to go ahead and buff that out. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that concealer again and like just cut my crease just in the middle. Take my concealer brush and just dab that. Take a flat brush and I'm going to take the color Ruby, which is just like the color Fire, except it has a little bit of glitter on it. And then just to clean the edges out, I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer, kind of cut it. And then for my brow bone, I'm going to take the color Universal. I'm going to go ahead and take this black liner from Music Flowers. I have it in a recent haul. And I'm just going to go ahead and make a small wing liner. This liner goes on pretty well, if I say so. It's very, very creamy. Now to finish off this look, we're going to go ahead and take the gold Studio Liquid liner from NYX and just put that right on top of the black liner. And that's pretty much for my look. I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye and I'll be right back. And that's it for my eyes. Now I'm going to prime my face with my usual primers. If you guys haven't seen my winter foundation look, I'll go ahead and link it down in the description box. I kind of just talk about how I moisturize my face for the winter. While I let that sit in, I'm going to go ahead and use the Benefit Bad Gal Mascara and this product right here. Like, it just makes your lashes look like they have like falsies on them. Like, this is one eye with this mascara on and this is without it. Like, can you just notice the big difference? So after you use this mascara, you might not even need falsies. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave that. Now that I've set my face, I'm going to color correct. Now, I recently got my hands on the NARS foundation, and this is the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation, and I am in the color Medium Dark. I cannot say this name, so I'll go ahead and leave it somewhere on the link, but this is just what it looks like. It has very sleek packaging. And it just comes with a pump. And the one thing that I have tried this foundation once, but I've never tried any NARS foundation. So I was like really eager to try this. And the one thing I love about this foundation, and as you guys will see when I put it on, is how it doesn't dry matte. It's kind of like semi-dewy. And surprisingly, I love that. Like normally I'm like a really matte type of person, but I just love the finish that it gives my face. Now this foundation is medium to full coverage, so it's definitely buildable. As you can see, I just used a few pumps on each side and it gives me like pretty sheer coverage, which I mean is good for whoever likes that, but you guys know me, I am a full coverage type of girl, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a few more pumps. So now that I've kind of applied it and let it sink in, I just want to get in a little closer and just show you guys like how it gives you that radiant, like dewy look. And I'm just like so over the top in love with this foundation. So it definitely has been one of my favorite foundations to run to lately. Now I'm just going to go ahead and conceal. And I'll be using the color medium tan. Just going to do it very, very lightly today. And last but not least, I use the Pixie Glow Mist. And that's it for my look. So just to recap a few of the new things that I use. This NARS Radiant foundation, I absolutely love it. It just leaves my face really, really dewy. And I really like it, especially for like the days that it's really dry and me having really, really dry skin. The next thing was this Black Radiant translucent powder. Now, I felt like it was a little bit too dark, especially for like my under eye. So I'm definitely going to keep trying it out a few more times and see what I think about it. The next two things that I'm using are Amazon finds, and I'm surprisingly like so surprised with the way these two products work. So they're kind of the same thing, and they're both from Music Flowers. I'll go ahead and link it down in the description box. And I use this one right here for my eyebrows, which is just like a dark brown. And I use this black one right here for my wing liner. And I have to say, it's really, really creamy. So it went on like super easy. But I did notice that I have to like pack it on a little bit more because it fades. So I don't know. I'll definitely keep trying out with that. So we'll see what we think about that. And the next thing that I used was this e.l.f. Heart, I think it's called Coffee and Cream, this highlighter, and I really like it. At first, when I first saw it, I was really apprehensive about, you know, how these colors will look on my skin tone, but this is a color that I use and I really like it because it just gives you like that hint of a glow without it being like blinding or too much. And then I just use the white on my tear duct, but as you can see, it mixed in with my pink and it kind of turned into like light pink, but I still really like it. And the last thing that I used that was new is this Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. This is the volume 1. And I ended up just mixing primer 3, which was like the red, and then number 1, which was like a really, really light pink. So I really like that because by carrying this palette, I feel like you really don't need to carry anything else. Oh, one more thing that I forgot is this Benefit mascara. This mascara is honestly everything. I don't know if you guys can see, but I don't have any falsies on. Like, I'm just wearing 2 coats of this mascara. So this mascara is like bomb, and I've heard nothing but great things about it. So I was like really, really eager to try it out. And now for everybody that's made it to the end of the video, I do have a surprise for you guys. I will be giving away the big version of this mascara, and I kind of just wanted to do these secret giveaways just to say thanks for all my loyal subscribers that, you know, watch every single one of my videos, that are part of my notification squad. I am really trying, you know, this year to put up more content and, you know, to be more consistent with my videos, because I know like some days I post, some weeks I don't. So I'm really trying to be more consistent. So I just wanted to give you guys a big thanks. So all the rules for this giveaway will be down in the description box. And that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that big thumbs up. It really helps me out. And don't forget to hit that subscription. Until next time.